Samsung S21 Ultra sandwich splits. We're gonna use 400 degrees Celsius with 50% airflow, and essentially no nozzle. The board holder is grabbing the bottom board, and I've already added flux around the perimeter. We're gonna just heat evenly, and depending on how long it's taking, I might have to go up in temperature, although I do feel it's separating here. I'm inserting my tool. Alright, this is gonna be tricky. Now this is salt water damage. It's in really bad shape. You know what, I'm gonna grab it here. So this part is loose. So we're now just gonna focus on the bigger section of the board. And I feel like coming up. And we're in.